Hello friends, how are you? I'm Sanvita. Today I'm the MC and we will be sharing all about kindness. Kindness is about circle of gifts and compassion. They're like helping someone. Also, we help someone, we'll in our future we'll got some luck. That's why we help it. And we will share all about compassion and care. Like, Oh Canada is one of our national anthem for Canada. Oh Canada will be singing in our school because you use it a lot of times because that is Oh Canada. Because in Canada people always do this. Also, parents will in assembly. Parents also stand up and they will do Oh Canada because we are respect to Canada. Also, if we plant some trees, Canada will be happy.
People and don't push. Be kind to everybody and cheer them up. Don't tell lies and break your friends. Say kind words and good that fool. Give compliments and be honest. Stand up for a friend and share. Don't be mean. Don't push on the slide. Be kind and help people. Share toys and open the door for a friend. I can share toys and do not punch people. I can give them a hug and tell them to make a nice way outside. Gentle hands and manners. Be thankful for others and give gifts. Gentle hands and good manners. Experiences. Help people and wait for each other. Sit together and open for her, and if she fell down, stand up for her. Don't punching your friends and sharing toys your friends. Stand up for a friend. Listen to your friend. Help people, don't punch each other. Kindness Howard's classmates Kids class is next, and they will sharing all about what friendship means to them. I asked my friend because he liked it. My language and he's kind. We hope you enjoy the first video on the college students. They are going to show us what compassion looks like. Have good ideas to help fill each other's buckets. Here is our idea. I really like your hard work. Thank you. And never goodbye. Say something nice. Where's the school? Where's the school? Did you like my book? Yes. We can fill a bucket by reading I can fill a bucket by helping friends clean up toys. I'm feeling sad today. I've got one. Sure. We can fill a bucket by giving each other a hug. Asha, can you play with us? We can fill a bucket by playing together. I can fill a bucket by... No one wants to play with me. I want to play with you. We can fill a bucket by playing together. Can you help me? Yes, I can. We can fill a bucket by helping each other. I can fill a bucket by being kind to the plants.
Okay, she is my friend and this is our class. We are bucket fillers. Miss Wall's class is bucket fillers. Also, we will be showing with bucket fillers how to be kindness. We can sharing things with bucket fillers. Like bucket fillers is like cleaning our school. That is bucket fillers too.
Today we will be learning about the passion, the circle of lives, friendship and faith.
We want to thank Ms. Burrows, Ms. Young, and Mr. Edgardo for making this assembly possible.
And I also wanted to say a huge thank you to all of our grade 1 teachers for all of the work they put in today to make this possible as well. And every day when you're in your classes and on the playground, and for teaching us about kindness today. Thank you, grade 1s.